Today I am reviewing the iBUYPOWER Y40 Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are looking for a machine that can crush any game you throw at it for the next 5 years without needing a single upgrade, you have probably been eyeing this iBUYPOWER Y40 build. I have been putting this rig through its paces for the last 2 weeks, and while the performance is absolutely stellar, there are a few quirks about this specific package that you really need to know before you drop this much money. Let's start with the obvious, which is the sheer horsepower under the hood. Pairing the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D with a new RTX 5080 is essentially overkill for anything outside of 4K gaming or heavy production work. In my testing, this machine handled every title I threw at it at maximum settings without breaking a sweat. If you are a competitive gamer who needs high refresh rates or someone who wants to play single-player titles at 4K with ray tracing cranked all the way up, this computer delivers exactly what you are paying for. Frame rates were buttery smooth, and the 32GB of DDR5 memory kept everything feeling snappy even when I had dozens of browser tabs and background applications running. If you want to check the current pricing or see the specific configuration details, I have left links below the video for you to explore. Now, let's talk about the build itself. The Y40 case is undeniably beautiful. That wraparound tempered glass design makes it a centerpiece for any desk setup. However, it is a double-edged sword. While it looks incredible, the airflow is a bit more restricted compared to a traditional mesh front chassis. During long gaming sessions, I noticed the internal temperatures climbing a bit higher than I would prefer for a system this powerful. It is not going to overheat or throttle, but you are definitely paying a premium for the aesthetic over raw thermal efficiency. If you are the type of person who leaves their PC on 24/7 or lives in a particularly warm climate, just keep in mind that you might want to add a few more fans or ensure your room has decent ventilation. I also want to address the included peripherals. You get a keyboard and mouse in the box, and while it is a nice gesture to have everything ready to go, be realistic about these. They are very much entry-level office-grade gear with some RGB lights slapped on. They will work fine to get you through your first week of gaming, but if you're buying a machine with a 5080 graphics card, you should honestly budget for a dedicated mechanical keyboard and a high-end gaming mouse. Do not let the fact that these are included influence your decision to buy the PC. They are purely placeholders. One thing I genuinely appreciated is the lack of bloatware. iBUYPOWER kept this install very clean. You are not spending your first hour deleting random trial software or unwanted utilities, which is a massive win in my book. It is a true plug-and-play experience. The cable management inside the case was also surprisingly tidy, which is something I always check for in pre-built systems. Everything was routed cleanly, and there were no loose cables obstructing the airflow or looking messy behind the glass. For who is this actually for? This is for the buyer who wants a high-end experience without the headache of sourcing parts and building a PC from scratch. It is for the person who values the aesthetic of the Y40 case and wants a system that is ready to go the moment it arrives. If you are looking for the absolute best value per dollar, you might argue that building it yourself could save you a little bit of cash, but you would lose the warranty and the convenience of having it professionally assembled and tested. However, if you are a budget-conscious shopper looking for the most efficient bang for your buck, you might find some disappointments here. The 1TB SSD is a bit stingy for a system at this price point. With modern games frequently taking up over 100GB each, you're going to run out of storage space much faster than you think. I would consider adding a secondary drive as your first upgrade. Also, the 5200 MHz RAM is decent, but if you really want to squeeze every bit of performance out of that 7800X 3D processor, you might eventually want to swap that out for something faster. Ultimately, the iBUYPOWER Y40 with this specific configuration is a powerhouse. It is reliable, it looks fantastic, and it performs exactly as advertised. It is not perfect, and you will eventually want to upgrade the storage and the peripherals, but as a core system to build your gaming life around, it is a very solid choice. If you want to take a closer look at the specifications or check if there are any current deals running, feel free to use the links I have provided below. It is a great machine for the right user. Just make sure you know exactly what you're getting into regarding the storage and the included accessories.